There we go. Sup, dudes? Hi. We didn't play this last night. We should have. But what was I doing last night? I was busy. I don't know. Last night was Friday, and we totally missed KK Slider, so I'm kind of sad. Yeah, I lie a lot, apparently. I just can't get my story straight with these goddamn streams. I can't, like... Come on, man. I can't, like, fit all this on my screen. I really need a second monitor, to be honest. I used to have 2 screens when I had my, I need to be able to see what you guys are saying. Yeah, I guess that works. Okay, what's wrong with you, GameCube? Boop, beep, beep, beep. Boop, boop, boop. We starting anyway, because we're wild. Oh, wow, music's not even playing. How about now? It's probably playing. Oh, so you want to see what's happening in town, Cool Cat? Yeah, I guess so, dude. Right now, yeah, I want to get started. My name is Sleeps. Can't believe I missed Toady Kiki. We gotta be there next Friday for that shit. But, this Friday... That's what I meant, this Friday, not next Friday. Yo, we got hella mail, though. What's new, mail? Yo! What you want, Nook? Oh shit, I forgot Nook upgraded! Yo, we missed so much from yesterday. Alright. Golden Shovel, B5? No, I'm pretty sure we checked on it and it was dead. I don't know why it was dead, but it was dead. Let's check out our house real quick, yeah? Yeah. Nice! Alright. We got fossils to ship, fam. Why am I not reading signs? I just forget. It's kind of like my nature to not read signs, so it's difficult to get back into the groove of reading signs, you know what I'm saying? Like, sometimes I just don't read signs. Yo, gotta get rid of that shit, girl. Yo, this rock is the rock. No, it's not. Goddamn weeds in my goddamn town. Ah! Yo, so I bought Mario Maker, but it's like midnight, so I figure we'll stream that tomorrow. Does that sound cool, guys? Because that sounds cool, guys, to me. Yeah, I remember the sign that said goodbye. That was funny. I'll definitely go back and read some of the signs, yeah. I don't know which ones I missed. Just all of them, maybe. What's up, Squeeze Kiwi? You're a cool dude, Squeeze Kiwi. Thanks for coming to my stream, Squeeze Kiwi. Let me move my, like, mic. Alright, there. Is that better? Can you hear me better? I feel like I'm louder now. I can hear myself in my head, but not really. What happened to streaming until 3 AM? Why can't you do Mario Maker tonight? Because tonight we're gonna fight for our right to party. We already found the money rock. What the hell? Because I want to start it earlier. I used to stream till 3 AM, and sometimes now it's just like, wow, I just want to go to bed. So we don't do that now. I mean, we might someday. Maybe right now, I don't know. I mean, it's like 12. We streamed Happy Home Designer the other night until like 2, so. But like, Happy Home Designer is on a hiatus until we figure shit out. Update the Twitch buttons. If you want, dude, like, I still think they're pretty cool. I'm kinda into the Twitch buttons. Still. They don't go out of style, man. You did good, man. Okay, Slim, I will. Yeah, remember when that guy said quit? That was cool. What's up, Captain Nommers? You seem like a very nice person. That's what it sounds like. Yo, did he take all my fossils or what? This one he still needs, I think. Alright, we filling up the fossil world, TBH. Like, we out here being so fossils. Oh, I don't have anything more for you, fam. I don't know what you want from me. I got hella red dragonflies. Yo, let's go check out the new Nook store, huh? I'm about it, I'm about it, I'm about it. Yeah, what? We should randomize Animal Crossing to have all the text that Alpha Sapphire has. What the fuck is that pig? Oh, I think we met her last time. She's new, I think. Or maybe she's not new. Oh my god, this tree! Why are you dead, tree? Where the fuck did that tree even come from? I didn't plant that shit. What the hell? Yo, what was that? It was a bug? I'm trying to catch it. I'm trying to catch it. Yo, we can sell these fossils really. Blah! 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 Fuck you, you fucking cricket ass! Blah! Pa! Goddamn. Boo! Bah! What the fuck? I totally had him. He jumped down the friggin' ledge, man. Alright, we got him now. Yo, what's up, pussy fucker? Fuck! Yeah! What the fuck over here? Oh my god, that took 10 years. Yeah, Lord P Helix. Alright, so we caught this motherfucker. Oh my god, dude, Nook and Go is my boy. You don't even know. You don't even know. What is this? A fucking train track? That's a track model. Are you kidding me, Nook? Do I look like I'm a fucking nerd? Oh! Hell yeah, we need an axe, dude. You're updating them now, thank you, John Neuer. Why is your name John Neuer? Shouldn't it be Blightwings? Was Blightwings taken? Are you racist or something? Why isn't there a third here? You clearly have room for more, you friggin' rat! Yeah, look at that mirror. It's like actually a mirror. Don't fucking chase me, you asshat. Oh my god, dude. Nice fucking quick check, fucking Quiznos ass motherfucking outfit. Yeah, why don't you take your sweet ass time, dude? I'm trying to buy some shit. Alright, this one's honeybee paper? Is that what it said? That's cool paper. I want your freaking cool paper, dude. What's honeybee paper? I'm gonna buy honeybee paper, obviously. Yo, we bought next. Alright, honeybee paper. Grab. Write letter. Oh my god, look how nice this paper is. Alright, we out, Nook. Piss off, mate! That was pretty British, wasn't it? Piss off, mate! My friend today said I sounded Canadian, which was kind of weird, because I don't think I sound very Canadian. Yeah, let's get some new shirts. John Neuer is before Blightwings. I didn't know that, dude. I'm pretty sure I followed you as Blightwings. You were Blightwings since the day I was born, dude. Blue pinstripe? Big dot shirt. Yo, blue pinstripe sounds pimp. No, fuck that. That's ugly as hell. Never again, dude. Never again. Yo, fuck you, cricket ass. You should make a new Twitch account and call it Sleepy Jirachi Fan Forever 2229. TBH. Yo, can I like throw out these mails? Yo, why don't I sell this shit? Why didn't I sell anything? What the hell? That's like why I went to Nooks. Yo, we got this shit. I'll get that later. Oh my god! Friggin' red things are invading, man. Overloading my game, man. Yeah, look how nice this place looks. I'm so proud of myself. Sup, Nook? I'm here for the bank. Give me what you got. Tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. I wanna, Yeah, it probably didn't exist. Maybe because, like, if you're the main character outside of your loading screen. You ever think about that? What if, like, this is all, like, some fucked up fucking bullshit and, like, you guys don't exist? Like, what if you guys don't exist? Can I switch? I can't switch with the D-pad. I was playing New Leaf. Oh, I got New Leaf, yo. I mean, I didn't get New Leaf. Like, it was under my desk all this time. I just didn't know where it was. Like, what if, like, outside of your field of vision, nothing's loaded? Everything's just like a... Everything's just making itself up as it goes. Like a free generating world. Yo, I hear some bugs real quick. Yo, Bug's being super quiet. He wants to be caught. Fuck you, bitch! Wow. Wow. What did I think about the new Zygarde leaks? I think they're super weird. Like, the dog thing is like, what the fuck? Like, alright. Zygarde's a snake? Like, why is 10% a dog? Are they trying to say that 5 dogs make a snake? Like, I don't think that's sense. And, like, let's be real here. Like, why is it a dog? I just don't get it. I just don't get it. And then he turns into a man? I don't know, man. I don't know. Something's off with it. I'll probably, like, learn to love it, but, like, 10% Zygarde, I just want to see it in the game, to be honest. I think that's what I'm waiting for right now. Is to see it in-game. Thanks for being awesome, by the way, dude. They're leaks because it's released early. Koro doesn't come out till the 16th. Which is a leak. It's a leak when it's released early. Or revealed when not supposed to be. That's called a leak. Animal Crossing. Yes, that's the name of this game. There's a glowy spot. Grow, money tree, grow. Oh, I thought you were saying, like, no thank you to me. Like, no thank you. Like, turning down my offer. I was like, I didn't make an offer, dude. Then I realized you were saying no thank you, I think. I would hope. I don't know, man. To be honest, like, who knows? You'd think Game Freak would stop trusting Koro with that information issues keep getting leaked. I mean, it's only a few days early, honestly, and it's not a big deal. Koro was a huge Japanese magazine. Like, it's gonna happen. And it's always fun to see this stuff, like, really low quality. Because who doesn't love low quality, right? Am I right? Alright, we got 2 more papers, and we got 2 more fossils. No, it's okay, Captain. I just can't read well. Hello, Link, the hero of winds. I want to stream, Wind Waker. I want to stream Wind Waker. Sometime. I've never beaten it. I mean, I think I did. I don't know. I have the Wii U version, so I'd probably stream that. Because I like Wind Waker. Wind Waker's cool beans. It's a fun game. And you guys could probably help me through it because I get super lost. Like, honestly, like, super lost. It took me, like, 20... Honestly, I didn't, like... I was on that part where the Wind Island, you had to get the stupid iron boots, and it doesn't tell you where to go to get the iron boots. So, like, I waited, like, 6 months, like, just surfing around endlessly, and then finally, literally 6 months, I would boot the game up, I would just surf around, and then I would just dip. I would be like, alright, enough. And then, finally, I got this, I looked it up. And it was on that ice island, so I went to the ice island, got the iron boots. And now I'm at the Wind Island. I don't know if I ever beat it. But if I did stream it, I would start from the beginning. Obviously not start a playthrough like halfway through. That would be super beat sauce. Triforce Quest? I don't know what that is, but it sounds super dumb. Yo, Triforce Heroes, though. That's that shit, dude. Yo, Turtle Bob. I mean Lucy. Lucy in the sky with diamonds. Oh wow, fuck you, Lucy. How about you go do your own shit next time? Why do you even ask me, you fucking asshole? Oh my god, look! Lucy in the sky with diamonds. Wow, now I need to buy a whole nother fucking pair of bullshit. Let's go see how much debt we could pay off. Maybe. Oh! Yeah, that Gorgeous was scary as hell. Honestly, like, I don't know why that happened. Someone said maybe because. What the? Someone said maybe because of the forms, but that doesn't make sense. It honestly doesn't make sense. I've randomized it where everyone should have their own animation data. And that Gorgeous did not have its own animation data, so I'm scared to see if that's gonna happen again. Like we saw in the beginning. Yo, Bug, what up? Boop! We saw in the beginning. If you look at the first episode, you can see on the title screen, on the bottom screen, I think it's a Tortuga, all stretched out. That's the kind of thing that happens, man. And it's interesting, but I didn't do. Oh! Wow, what a dickweed. Ha! I almost got him. I fucked this bug, dude. And I almost, what was I saying? Oh, I randomized it so they all had their own animation data, because sometimes I can crash the game, which is why I save so often. Yeah, it's not boring at all, dude. It's actually the best ever. Oh, yeah, I gotta buy more letters. Yeah, I was legitimately terrified of that Gorgeous. I mean, it's pretty scary looking. Like, it was, I wasn't expecting it. I think that's why it, like, caught me off guard so much. Yo. Fuck you, Bug. What the fuck? What? You can't go up there! Dickweed! Wow, what a dickweed. No, they don't follow the animation data of the Pokemon name it has. The names are a text file. That's randomized separately. They follow the animation data of... Because all of them have their own animation data, you can tell in the... Do you want this cockroach? The fuck? 5 bells? Fuck you, Nook. Why did I come here? I'm trying to buy more paper. Get that paper! They follow the animation data, it's all in their files. Animation data is all in their files. I don't know where I'm going with this. So they, oh, this is so weird. It's called cool paper. I was expecting, like, ice. The hell was I gonna say? Oh yeah, animation data is in their own thing. That's why I'm confused about the Gorgeous. It might have been a glitch with the randomizer, but that doesn't really make sense either. Cause there's over 8,000 individual files, so there's a specific program I made, or my friend made with me, that did yeah, it was about to be our 5th letter. We about to be popping. Yeah, you can whatever you want, John. You can like you can hide them if you want. I'll update them, like, right now if you want. Yo, let me catch this thing. Just kidding, he flew away. What a dickweed, man. I'm excited to get new buttons, but I kind of like the buttons I have. Yo, can you also make, like, a shop button? See that button I made out of your own button? Like, a shop button would be pretty dope sauce. Yo, are these worth any money? I don't know. There's hell a lot of them. Super Mystery Dungeon on Thursday in Japan or in US? It's not out in Japan, is it? If you tell me it's out in Japan, I'll actually commit sue because, like, remember when you guys were like, Happy Home Designer is out in Japan and I committed sue, dude? Like, come on. Yeah, what's up, get mated, mate? It's kind of weird. I don't care what you and your net geeks say, like anarchy. I have Filthy Frank's, like, album, if you want to call it that, mixtape, I don't know, on my fucking phone, and so whenever I plug it into my car, sometimes his songs come up when I put it on random, and, like, some of his songs are really bad. Not bad like mean or anything, like bad, like not good. Honestly, Pink Guy raps are usually his high points. Because I'm a fan of, like, shitty rap, to be honest. No, your name seems normal to me, get mated, mate. Time I accidentally joined your private library was Everk for like half time. It was very weird. The OG JP version, the JPAC Plus released this version, AC, I don't know what he's talking about. You should play more Splatoon with your friends. I don't have any friends, dude. Stream ain't working for me, so see ya. Bye, Boggle. What the fuck is a shot button? Shop! S-H-O-P, the t-shirt shop. Go down to the description below the stream, unless you're on your phone, I guess, but like, shoppa. It's a shoppa. What did I just catch? Alright. Peanut butter is honestly what I usually skip when it comes on. Especially if I have someone else in the car. Because it literally just opens up with peanut butter on my balls, let the dog lick it, and then, like, whoever's in the car with me is probably gonna think I'm weird as fuck. And it's like, no, dude, this is not my life. Don't listen to him. Like, please. Please don't listen to him. Fuck! Why don't I sell mouse pads? I don't know. Did they add mouse pads to Redbubble? Are you looking at the shop link right now? Let the Franker Z lick it? I don't know what a Franker Z is, dude. Slimmy, you listen to, like, the worst trash, so I don't expect you to know what I'm talking about, honestly. Like, even Frank's fucking mixtape is better than your fucking music. What the f- Fish! Franker Z is an emo of a dog sleepy. I wish I still had Animal Crossing. Kind of disappointing there was no actual Wii game. Yeah, true. Yeah, I just typed in mousepad and Redbubble. Apparently they sell it. Yo, if I mean, I haven't updated my Redbubble in a while. I usually, yo, that was on point real quick. I usually, update all of my stuff whenever I add new items to the shop, but I haven't gotten any new drawings to add. Or any new art, I guess. Yo, that was delayed as hell and I still got him. What games do you plan on picking up for 3DS Wii U this year? I just picked up Mario Maker, does that count? Like, for the winter season, I'll probably get that fucking free amiibo game. Because I'm def gonna be buying the Animal Crossing amiibos because I'm a sucker for fucking bullshit. Come on! Oh yeah, that's better. Hit me up, fish. Oh my god, fish! No! Please, Mr. Fish. Oh, Mr. Fish, please! Yeah, look at my fucking balls. Make them $1. Dollar mouse pads are baller. I don't know if I can actually do that. I don't really control the prices on Redbubble. Oh! Damn it. Keep doing that. Gotta play Xenoblade Chronicles. Yeah, that's on the list, I think. I still have that list down there, despite the fact that I haven't been playing any of the games on it. I don't even know if this game is on it. We're gonna fucking beat Animal Crossing, though, so get ready. Max out Museum, all that shit, dude. And then we're gonna move to Wild World, and then we're gonna move to City World, and then we're gonna move to New World. Get it? New World Order? Hello, Illuminati, hashtag X-Files theme. My pockets are full, so shut your mouth, girl. Get rid of this waffle shirt. Yo, I got a freaking Vlinkoid! Let me go put this shit in my house, man. How do you beat Animal Crossing? By friggin' beating it, dude. Luminion's like... It sounds like he hasn't slept in 9 days for some reason today. He's super weird. Yo, how about you don't screw up, controller, because I'd really appreciate it if you didn't. Like, I actually hate you. You might be the worst controller in the world. Yo, I really gotta set up that, what's it called? Yo, let's put this Flinkoid over here. Tall Dropoid. Let's listen. It's a freaking clown, dude! Run! What was I doing? Oh, going to sell my shit, dude. I like to shower there. I don't know if I have a cockroach in the museum, so I'm gonna go bring that to the... What the hell, man? I don't care what you and your net geeks say. Yeah, I mean, that brings us up to 80 grand. Yo, there's a back room, and I'm trying to sneak in there real quick. What you got back here, girl? What you doing? Yeah, you trying to fucking question me? Get out of my face, dude. This is free country. This is filtered, so I don't know if it'll let you link. It lets some people link. I think you have to be a regular. I don't know. Wow, only 0.3 hours? I'm so disappointed. Fuck! I mean, if you post it, it'll just purge you, and then I can just open it anyway. Because I can see purged messages. Oh, you can give him permission, Lumi. Give him permission. I think it's just permission. Oh yeah, you can do it on Skype. I have Skype open right now, so that's actually a convenient accessory. Or something. Hey, controller, how about you actually, get a knife inside of your jugular. Good night, Captain Zerd. Alright, I get you disconnected, but can you reconnect? Like, what? Oh my god, why is my controller screen going black? What are you doing? Thank you. Take this freaking cockroach, dude. I don't think we have one. I don't care what you and your net geeks say. Yeah, I constructed my bot from several bots. Ankbot actually was a major piece of it. A lot of these bots are open source, so I kind of mash things together. Because I wanted, like, my own stuff, you know what I'm saying? I don't think Nightbot is open source. I was looking for a source for Nightbot, and I couldn't find one, because I think Nightbot has a bunch of things that I wanted. Yo, fishy fish! Broweach knows how. We just have to wait for Broweach. I mean, he says he's gonna Skype it to me anyway, so it doesn't matter. So do you guys think I should do contests when I get to Slateport in the randomizer? Like, would that be fun? Or should I not do contests? Like, would that not be fun? Like, what's your opinion on contests? Some people like them, some people don't. Oh my god, fish! Yo! These things sell for a solid, like, 20k. JK, I don't think they sell that much, but, like, you know. That's what it sounds like. Oh my god, dude! Oh my god. Yeah, they all do it like first try. Oh my god! Barred knife jaw. I'm pretty sure those sell for a lot. If I did contests, that would def be an entire episode. I mean, the text might be funny in the contest. I don't know if it will or not. Fuck you, soccer ball. Yeah, fuck you, fish. Catch that fucking soccer ball, dude. Fish can't catch soccer balls. What pathetic assholes. Because I love contests, but like, sometimes. Oh, friggin' diggin' doggins, dude. Sell for a few thousand. Don't talk to me, dude. Don't talk to me until you know the exact amount. Yo, I can catch him from over here. I'm fucking baller. Fuck you, fish. Do I watch Nexus? I don't really watch a lot of YouTube, but I do support them. Like, I think they're cool. Like, Nexus is cool. And, others, I don't know. PokeTubers are neat. I support things. Yo, freeballing. Yo, what the hell, dude? Hit up my balls, son. Oh my god, I got scared, okay. Ow. How many spots I got left? Like 90 million. Let's fill it up with fish, and then we'll go sell the fish. I mean, we can do this all night, pretty much. I like how some of them do it first try, because it's faster. Yeah, I'm on Netflix for 12 hours straight. I pretty much play it when I'm not recording. If I'm not recording, I'm probably watching Netflix, or streaming, obviously. Like, I watch it when I eat, I watch it while I'm editing, I watch it while I'm working. It's usually just Parks and Rec all the time. But, I did watch Weeds. That was a really good show. Did I watch the 3rd season of that show? I don't know. I don't know. I'm moving soon. Is my bobber beached? I can't tell. Yo, hit me up, fish. I'm actually gonna murder this fish's friggin' wife. Come here. Oh my god! I always do that. I'm sorry. I've never bought in Netflix. Actually, one of my followers on Twitter gave me his, so that was very nice of him. Because the one I was previously using, which was my friend from high school who I don't talk to anymore, his like stopped working. I think he just forgot to pay it. It's probably working now, but like this kid has like a family, so like I go on like his family sometimes. I'm just kidding. I only go on his. He told me to only go on his because he doesn't want me to go on his family's, I guess. He watches like porn sometimes. It's kind of weird. It's not like porn. It's like porn documentaries. I don't know. I watched this one porn documentary called Kink. It was super weird, dude. Oh, nice. A fucking boot. Yeah, say no to litter. JK, throw this shit on the beach, bitch. I don't watch anime. Ever. I watched Kill la Kill. Because it was like kind of funny, I guess. Oh my god, I always think they're gonna do it on the first try and then I forget. That they don't do that sometimes. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Look at it, look at it. Damn it. Oh my god, I thought he was gonna do it. Favorite and least favorite map in Splatoon? I like that one with the coolness. Fuck this fish. I hate when they're right there, dude. I like the really high up one. The towers, Murray Towers. Friggin' boots, man. Murray Towers, and I like that other one that's like the hotels or whatever, the apartments. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Five more. Oh my god! It didn't even tell me that it disconnected. Oh no! Oh my god, like they go through my friggin' throat, and then when I think they're gonna go for my throat, they don't. These fish are sexually attracted to garbage. What the? Yay, caught a salmon. Oh, 3 more. We can do this. And then I'm gonna go to sleep because she take money when I'm in need. Yeah, she a gold digger. Yes, indeed. Yeah, she a gold digger. Whale Town. Fuck these things, man. These red guys, they attack out of nowhere. Is my YouTube channel only Pokemon? I mean, I uploaded Splatoon stuff sometimes. And like, it kinda got views, so. Maybe I'll upload like Splatoon stuff sometimes. It depends on if I'm feeling like a nerd. I mean, right now it's gonna be Pokemon for a while because we got all the Pokemon series going on. Am I almost? Yeah, I got one more. Yeah, I got him on the second, yo. No, you cannot say that. I got my hair cut today and I was talking to the— yo, let's check in here. Fuck! Yo, they got an item in here. I actually have insomnia. I take medicine to sleep. I do want this, but like, I can't because I have all this stupid shit. You can't mail living things! Yeah, subscribe to Sleepy Bakes. That's where all my other stuff— it got, like, a strike on it. So I haven't been really uploading stuff over there. Yo. She take my bunny lemonade. Yeah, she a gold digger. Yes, indeed. Yeah, she a gold digger. Way over town. I'm pretty sure it is backed up on there. I just haven't gone live with it yet because I'm silly. Who digs on me? Boop, 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 boop. She take my money. I'm saying she go diggy. When I'm in need, messing with a broke nigga. Take money. When I'm in need. I'm selling the shit, Nook. You ready to bank out mad cash? Yo! 16,000! Rolling in the dough. Rolling in the dough. My second channel is mostly just gonna have, When did I start doing what? Animal Crossing? Like, about a week ago. About a week ago. My second channel mostly will have stream replays and probably other dumb stuff like my arena play. I got Daggerfall after arena finishes going up. And then, what else do we have? I don't know. Food is not a person. Food is actually a category of hentai where the girls have penises. It's penis girls. That's what Fuda stands for. Hi, Taco Mob Gamer. I'll notice you because your name is Taco. Yo, hit me up, butterfly. Bitch. Got you real quick. Yo! I almost had him. Don't jump. Don't do it, man! Got him. Saved his life. He was gonna jump in the water. Yeah, Sunshine was like my glory days, to be honest. It was all downhill from there. Yo, this ball is about to get dunked. Alright. Yo, let's pick these weeds, though. Oh, I should have got that friggin' cricket thing. Cricketoon. Haha. I don't even think the fucking thing has that tiger butterfly, so you better enjoy that shit, Nook. Yo, I need like 3 more of those things and then I'll be able to have $100,000. If Dolphin crashed, would Resetti appear? Yes. Because it actually, the way Resetti works is that it saves, oh my god, soccer ball, ballin'! It saves a game noting that you haven't saved in the beginning every time you start a game. So it will save the data that you started a game, and then it won't, and then it needs to save the data that you finished the game. So if I closed out of the game right now, it would go on the data that I started the game and didn't save at the end, so Resetti would appear, yes. Because of how data management works in this. This is the original Animal Crossing. Original US Animal Crossing. Japan had one on the N64. Fuck! Yo, you're mine, baby girl. What is my opinion on this matter? What matter, dude? What's wrong, Loose? Oh, now you're happy. What the fuck? Don't chase my fucking dinner away. What do you want? Keep running into one another. No, we don't. You just chased me for like a solid hour, dude. Yeah, fuck off. Don't call me Bloop, you bitch. Yo, fuck off, Whale Lord. She didn't even see me do it, dude. The original map, there's not really such a thing, dude. Maps are randomized. Did he jump in the water? Bummer, man. Maps are randomly generated by Acre, so they don't really have, like... On that Yoshi number 9 kid, there's... That highlight is on my channel, I think. Is it on my main channel or my second channel? I think it's on my main. Don't jump! No! Saved him again. Yo, Slim wasn't even here for Yoshi number 9. He doesn't even know. Oh my god, dude, why do you do that? Oh my god, I hate him. Yeah, I remember the whole deleting your save file thing. I'm pretty sure, that's, like, super scary. Isn't there one where he, like, pretends to turn off your TV? New Leaf has all the original game stuff in it, actually. You just have to build them. Slim, you were def not here for that, dude. I'm pretty sure you weren't even born until, like, a couple of weeks later. Okay, like, oh my god, dude. Fuck, that was so delayed. Yo, this bug is calling my name, girl. I'm just trying to get that nice 10k. I mean 100k. Fuck! Fuck this bug, dude. I'll go find my own bug. Damn it. Yo, that was too easy, bitch! Yeah, the way they, like, did the maps is different, that's true. But the annoying thing about this compared to New Leaf is that you have to go acre by acre. And there's, like, little, like, it has to move. You see that? Yo, who dat? Who dat? IGGY. Bitch, you getting sneak attacked! Nice, I got a fucking bluegill. Fuck you! Alright, baby girl Nook, hit me up with that nice money. Oh my god, I'm so close. What the fuck, Nook? Alright, that's it. I'm gonna fuck this bitch sideways. You wanna play me like that, Nook? You wanna play me like that? Fuck you up. You don't wanna play fucking games, Nook? You wanna play these games? You wanna play these games, Nook? Oh shit, that's hurting my axe. Should probably stop now. I'll do this shit the old-fashioned way. What? These buttons look glorious. Let me click on some of these buttons. What is this one? I don't even know. They look futuristic, TBH. We got shop. We got Twitter. We got subscribe. I think Twitter should be blue. And then donate should be green. Right? I dig it, TBH. Alright, so we too rich to like even be in this shit, so yeah, fucking die. Get over here, bitch. Fuck you. The hell, Lumi? Stop advertising your channel in my chat. Oh my god, I still have 48,000 to pay? Can we do it today? Can we do it today? Should we go for that 48,000 that we have left? I guess we should, right? I feel like that's gonna take forever. That was all my money, dude. Ugh, I don't feel like it. Who the fuck are you? Pate? You look like a dork, Pate. Nah, I'm out. I'm a piece. I'm a piece. Supposed to stream Soul Rising or whatever with friggin' dork face Denise, but he was like, I'm going to bed. Like, alright, dork face Denise. Is it the 11th? Wait. No, it's the 12th. I played on the 10th. Why didn't I make a friggin' thing?